Got a real quick video on this 2023 300XC. I don't know if this is going to go for the 2024 models because I think they revised some of the clickers settings and stuff. But I was at a race the other day and I'd been tinkering with my suspension some, and I was trying to. It was basically too soft, and I was trying to get back to closer to a stock setting, and I couldn't find nowhere that showed that information real quick. So I'm going to make this video for whoever may be looking for that. Throw some other stuff in here, and who knows, I may need it again somewhere down the line. I have to watch my own video. For what it's worth, that's the ideal weight for the stock suspension on a 2023 Model 300 SX or XC. Here's the low speed on the rear shock. There you go. So the comfort is 17 clicks away from the stiffest setting. Standard is 15, Sport is 13. That is for the SX, and looks like that goes to be the exact same for the XC models. The high speed, which hardly anybody fools with much, that would be the knob behind the little knob here. You can see it's 2 turns out for comfort, 1.5 for standard and 1.5 for sport. Rebound settings right down here, the knob on the bottom. Comfort 17 clicks away from the firmest setting. Standard would be 15 clicks. Sport would be 13 clicks. Let's see. I don't know if anybody will get any benefit from any of that. Maybe, maybe not. Pause it. Just kind of tells you the springs and the weight, I guess, the rating, but luckily I fall right into the stock weight range. I'm looking for the forks now. So I don't know if you ever need to know that. The air pressure, the minimum and maximum, be 102 to 174 psi. And then here you are on the compression settings. Be 17 clicks away from the stiffest. So you start out, going to the plus, and then you back off. But that would be 17, 12, and 7. And then on the rebound on that, this changes a little bit between the SX and the XC model. So there it is, if you ever need something to reference back to on this particular bike. If you're out somewhere like I was and wondering what the baseline settings was, needing somewhere to start from, there you go. And while I'm at it, because I'm about to adjust the chain, I make little notes on this. A little extra here. This right here is the slack that is required by the book for these changes, and this is with a motorcycle on a stand. So there you go.